Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see here, I bought some more Constitutional Silver. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Got another fantastic deal. As you can see here, pretty heavy in the dimes. That's okay, I love the dimes. Dimes are great fractional silver, and there's nothing wrong with getting a nice stack of those. So I got a good assortment, so why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so we know these are all dimes. I'm not sure what dimes. You can see this one says Roosevelt on it. And that says Roosevelt. Roosevelt, it could all be Rosies. Oh, that one says Mercury on it. That's cool. So we have a roll of halves here, and there's some other halves in here. In fact, another roll here, and then some in here. And one thing I was noticing, one thing I haven't gotten from him in a while is JFKs, but I can definitely see some in there. You see them? So that's cool. I like the JFKs. Walkers and Franklins are cool too, but nothing wrong with a few JFKs, right? So why don't we start with opening up the halves like we normally do. So let's keep these on the screen. I'm not sure what's in this roll. I didn't peek at these yet. Looks like we got ourselves some Benjis. And oh, they all sound so good. You know what? I didn't count this. How much did I pick up today? We have $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60. That's right, $65. Yeah, so we have some Benjis here. It's pretty cool. Let's leave those over there. Let's take a look at this roll. It's nice wire prescription bottle. And let's see what's in here. I think we have some walkers. And we have more than walkers in here though, you can see. Alright, so we have 4, 6, 8, 10. Cool. Looks like we have 10 JFKs as well. Awesome. I'm going to turn my light down just a little bit here. Alright, so we have ourselves some 64s. And 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. Awesome. So there we have $20 worth. I haven't got many JFKs in a while. And let's see what's in here. So you can see this is put together with quarters and halves. So let's see what halves are in here. Got 5 walkers. Pretty standard looking. We'll put those down here. I'm going to cover up. I need to show the assortment here for my thumbnail. Let's get some Franklins up on top here. Alright, and then we have quarters. Alright, boy, I spilled those all over the place, didn't I? Alright, well, there's a 1936, pretty cool. Pretty standard quarters. I can tell these are definitely from probably a different resource than I'm used to getting them from because they look a little bit different, but there's a 1940. Alright, so we have $10, $20, $30. Alright, and the rest of these are all going to be dimes. So let's get these out of here. I don't know if everyone is labeled or not. So why don't we take a look here at Roosevelt, no label, Mercury. Roosevelt, Mercury, cool. Roosevelt, and Roosevelt. So there's only one without a label on it. I'm going to assume it's probably a Roosevelt. Alright, so why don't we go ahead and start opening up some of these. Let's open up the, where's the mystery one? Mystery one is right here. Let's open up this one first. see what we have. Oh, and it's Mercury's. Cool. I like the Mercury. I like the Roosevelts because there's usually more dimes in there. Oh, that's a mixed bag. Alright, he usually doesn't give me mixed bags. See the Roosevelt's there and the Mercury's there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and probably a 10 in there. Oh, there's even more in there. Alright, I thought that. So there's at least 20, maybe half a roll. So that's pretty cool. We'll mix them all together there. Alright, so we'll keep after the rosies here. Let's see what we have. Rosies it is. Take a look. Make sure they're empty. Oh yeah, nice, huh? There's some beautiful old coinage. Woo! Look at that. There's some more Roosevelts. All look to be in pretty good shape. Some dirt on them. Look how shiny they are. Alright. Dump those over there. Get these out of our way. Open up another Roosevelt. So I updated my camera software today and I can tell it's a little funky now. I hate it when they make you upgrade and then it gives you problems. I can see some blipping going on. So I don't like that at all. I need quality. Quality video, my friends. We need quality video. Some more Roosevelts. Alright. So, what do we have? 7 rolls. So we're going to end up having, what, 350 dimes? Ooh. It's a lot of dimes. Alright, so there's our rosies with a few Mercury stuck in there in that first row. This one says, oh, another Roosevelt. Sorry, I thought I was getting to the Mercury, so let's open up this Rosie and see what we have. Alright, here we go. Woo. Love those things. Oh, set them down. Run away. Got a runaway dime. Get back here. Rosie. Cool looking one. A little bit of toning on it. Oh, a little Mercury sticking her head out. Oh, yeah. Alright. So we have 10 more dollars worth. So right now we've got $55 on the screen. And let's look at these Roosevelts. Sorry, these are the Mercuries now. Losing count of my rolls here. These are the Mercuries. Look pretty standard. Actually look pretty good. Look at those beautiful ladies. Alright, dump those down here. And then one more, if we can keep it on the screen. We have one more roll of Mercuries. Side's hard to get into. Let's get into this side, see what we have. There's one stuck in there. There it goes. Look at these. Oh, some more Mercury Dimes. Look at those. Whew. Love the stuff. Alright. So there you go, folks. We have $65 in constitutional silver. What do you think about that, huh? Got some nice Mercuries out of the deal too, didn't we? That looks good. I love that stuff. Got some JFKs too. Pretty happy about that this time around. Nothing wrong with some 64 Kennedys. Alright, so why don't we move over to the desktop and let's get our calculator out And let's do the normal, usual calculations. Probably bores most of you at this point, but let's do it anyway. So let's do 65 times 0.715, and that'll tell us how much silver is in this pile. So we've got 46.48 ounces of silver right there. 46.48 ounces. Pretty incredible, huh? That is nice. All right. So now, remember 46.48. I think on my last video when I had $65, I kept messing up and saying 46.43. Well, this is 46.48. So we're going to clear that. We're going to take what I paid for it, and we're going to divide by 46.48. You can see here, paid $13.98 per ounce. So $13.98 per troy ounce. And as of right now, on this day, and silver's been flopping all over the place, so it all just depends on what day you buy it and how much you pay for it. But today, silver is $17.44 per ounce, so $17.44. But I'm recording this just a couple days after I bought this, and when I bought this, silver was $16.72 per ounce. So look at the variation. I'll tell you, these markets have been going up and down and all around. So I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but at the time, we've been in some pretty volatile times. So if we'll just go with the 16.72, because that's what it was when I bought it. So we're going to do 16.72, and we're going to minus 13.98, which is how much we paid for it. You can see we saved $2.74 per troy ounce. That's not bad, huh? So if we multiply that by 46.48 ounces, which is how many ounces are in there, we saved $127.36 off of it if we had bought it for spot. So that's a pretty good deal, huh? As most of you know, lately that's not one of my better deals, believe it or not. I'm usually getting them $3-4 below spot because of where silver's been. And had I bought it today, let's do that math real quick, with it being 17.44, because he sells it to me the same price no matter what day I buy it on, so it doesn't matter. So you can see the big difference. It would have been 3.46. But anyway, it's all good stuff. So if we go back to 16.72, and we minus 13.98, you can see here, so $2.74 below spot per ounce. Pretty cool, huh? Not a bad deal at all. All right. So let's go back and look at this beautiful coinage laying here. I'm going to have to take my thumbnail and get this all packaged up and put away, which usually takes a while to dig out a guardhouse box and tubes and get it all put away. But we'll do it. We'll take care of it. It's fun to put it all away and see where we're at. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.